come and join today, and it is
Yes, sir.
really wonderful. I came to know through you International Day of Happiness. Really, when you are very joyous, when you are getting recognized and rewarded for that, that is the auspicious time, and everyone is looking for that. How do we get recognized by the community for the contributions, for the services, for the expectations from the surrounding to respond our ability or capability? They are evaluating in the correct way. So I was really getting inspired when the speakers they delivered the speech on various topic, various background, various stories. Really, it is real time things. It is not exaggerated, or it is not manipulated, or it is not because of the word of mouth. Just they want to speak in front of the audience. Really, it is very glad to hear such a kind of way they expresses their ideologies or the feelings to share to the community. And we need to aspirate these kind of programs many more, and not only for the Women Day, and maybe frequently we can conduct whenever it is possible. They can come forward because everybody is not having the same time, same level of contributions. So they need some space, comfortability for them to come and join and deliver. One of the thing is you have done very great job for the because of the International Women Day, 30 days, 30 speakers engaged for the speeches to record and publish through the Jamaman YouTube channel, which is very, very good substance for the people who can able to listen from the speakers' stories or their sharings. And it is recorded forever. So whenever they can apply the keyword, they can able to filter the YouTubes wherever it is possible, whenever it is possible. And the another way, because we are having wonderful stories, it should not be restricted the way of only voices. And we can create another space like a book, some kind of ebook or printed books we can able to think, and we can put it in the Amazon or any other booksellers through online. Then it will be spreading all over the world. That money contributions we can share ourselves, and we can contribute to any other fine organizations who are requiring the support from us. That is the way together we can able to bridge the gap for us, and we can able to overcome the challenges. How do we embrace, how do we contribute better for the community through our contributions? That is the one aspiration. So from Singapore I can able to get the ISBN top of ACE International. So it would be a Singapore publications. You can also put upon with your KPI standards. If anybody from the institutions or any other circumstances, they can use it for their credibility to showcase. That way we can able to do that. And if the topic and other things we can able to share among ourselves. It should not exceed not just like that. If 5 pages, 4 or 5 pages enough for us. So we can able to natural manner to illustrate whatever the topic we choose, whatever the things going to support for the readers. That way we can connect to the real time or real time stories which are making them to read and embrace and overcome with the challenges. These are all very much important, and that is the way we can able to do that. And it is a recorded thing forever, and we can able to showcase for our surrounding. We can present it as a kind of gift for the people when this book we publish. So you can use it as a gift for your fellow friends or colleagues or any other community people. That is another contributions we can make it. And if we have the ISBN number, we can request all over the world the libraries to keep the copy of the book, and it will be spreading all over. Sometimes the people can refer it, and that way also it is going to be rotated in the community. So we can able to think all possible ways how do we able to empower our fellow friends as well as the community people. Together we can able to create that brave and strong world. So it is one small step makes the huge change for everyone. So we must need to take the initiation from starting from the small points, small dots, and we are going to mingle in the ocean of world circumstances. And it is all from our single concept that right time, right thing, right community. We can gear up fast and we can go ahead. So the journey is very long, but we need to go for a long way to together. So it is making the journey very peaceful, comfortable, helpful, careful, supporting. So we must need to think in this way. I welcome you all. Please think about that, and we are here to get the opinion or consent from you. How do we design? Is there any other volunteers can come and support us for editing the book, design the book, and publishing it in very sooner, so that way we can able to gear up. Um, the way any feedback about the last presentation or last event, so we can able to improve ourselves. Is there any positive or negative comments? I would like to receive from you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful International Day of Happiness today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ram. And I'm so excited to know that we are going to be the international figure with your help and with your support. I wish that this dream is going to come true. And this is correct that when I was interviewing the ladies and the female, like even I take the example of Rizwana, so how much she has struggled to come to this place where she is today. It's not just simply a teacher in Gulf or a teacher in one of the school of UAE, but the journey from the step from where she has started and the place where she has reached. We have to measure that length, and then we have to give the credit to the person. So I think each one of us, even if I talk about Advocate Firdaus, if I talk about Zoena, if I talk about Shadab Kamar Sahibas, that was so romantic story of Shadab Sahiba to be a principal or head of the school, how much she has struggled and how much she has put in the efforts. And if you take the story of Shabana Baji or Uzma Nahid Sahiba or Kalpana or all others, those who were there like Anjum Malhotra or whosoever were there among 30 ladies who have contributed. So each and every story is inspiring and motivating. What we have to do is that we have to just, first of all, acknowledge our efforts. First of all, we have to believe in ourselves that yes, our story is inspiring story. And if the people are going to know about this, and if the people are going to read this, if it is going to be online available for the people, then naturally there are many girls having dreams in their eyes, but they are simply sitting in a corner of the corner of not only India, in any other country, waiting that if similar story is there, so she will get inspiration from that, and then she is going to shine as we are doing in our own ways. So I like the idea of Dr. Ram. First, we can go for the ebook, because ebook is not going to cost much. It is going to be very meager amount for the ebook. And even if we are going for the hard copies also, if 30 ladies are there and all 30 of them wants to contribute, and even if not 30, if 20 of them wants to contribute, so it is going to be just very minimum amount, maybe 1,000, 2,000 Indian rupees, not more than that, if combinedly everybody is going to do that. But we are going to do one constructive work, like that will be a history, and we are going to contribute in the history. And in the history of women, our contribution will be acknowledged and recognized. So now the forum is open. You all can give your opinion about this.
I think this is a very good idea that has come forth, and every day I see women actually struggling. I mean, I have said it many a times, even if a woman is from a privileged family as well, still she has to struggle, because at the end of the day, the society is somewhere it's patriarchal. So this way, that way, a woman has to struggle. And I believe that every woman has a story. They say that behind every woman there is a man for her success and everything. That is true. Here also, I believe the success of this book, the man is there, Dr. Ram is there. So I am sure this is going to be success. And yes, every woman in itself, she is a story. So I believe that yes, we should go for it. Whatever contribution, financial contribution, that is something which is, I mean, we really need not to talk about that. But yes, contribution of actually giving away part of your lives. what you have gone through, what you do. I will tell you that every day, some or other female, young or old, they tell me that, you know, when we see you, so we feel that we can do something. And many of them have actually told me that they have chosen this legal fraternity to go into the legal profession after seeing me. So, you know, somewhere, just without your knowledge also, you're unaware, and you are actually inspiring people. Dr. Sadia herself and other people here, I mean, I myself have got inspired by Dr. Sadia. She is not from my profession, but yes, she has been, of course, my teacher. And but still, you know, woman struggles are same. I mean, today I am a working professional, at the same time a mother, so I can understand, you know, the things that a woman goes through. So I think, yes, we should go for it. And I am there. I mean, whatever contribution, whatever way you want, I am there. I captain.
Thank you very much. Yes, now शबाना बाजी, आप क्या फरमाती हैं? Please unmute कर लें.
Or ma'am, I want to say one more thing. No, I saw this Rizwana Khan, Zuena Muhammad, then this Shabana ma'am also. So even you, I mean, when we joined, everybody, all the females were doing some or other things. You know, they were into something. So I think, you know, women, they are multitaskers. That is there, and yes, they are great. So I just wanted to say that.
Multi-talented also.
They're multi-talented. Sir, this book is going to be success because we have you behind us.
Just I'm the dot only, so you are the people make the line or anything.
You know, sir, it is a big thing, a male there, you know, among so many females, and actually pushing them that you do something. So it is all yours.
Just think about how to make the human should not get scrapped. It is not only the men or women, even a child or old age people.
Yeah,
we should make them happy, because of today, the International Day of Happiness. A born human must need to have the rights to be happy.
Correct.
It should not be spoiled, or it should not be ruined by any cost. So other supporting elements or supporting community can able to come forward to remove any kind of sorrows or sufferings or difficulties. That is the way the world is functioning. Somewhere, some people, they are contributing to remove these kind of hurdles, these kind of barriers. They are working very hard, seriously, and you know, you are in the place of justice, so you could know all this, able to give the sort of solutions for the people who are recurring deliberately from the judicial side. So the same way, we have to build a strong and brave world where people can able to come forward, ask for the help, get the help, or making them to be empowered. In any case, any place, any circumstances like that. And that is the way. The dream is very bigger, but we can start from a small step.
Thank you, Dr. Ram. And now Shabana Baji.
What I was saying, I am also supporting ideas, and this time also it is a very good idea. And the basic idea of bringing women of substance on a same platform was also very good. It's not that we were in a position to tell our achievements. Rather, it was more beneficial when we came to know about the achievements of others. And we learned so many things from other people. And the other women, we are not in a vacuum that we are struggling, but all the women who have done some landmark, who have achieved some achievements, they have sacrificed because whatever a woman achieves, she achieves with fulfilling all basic duties of a woman, as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter-in-law, all duties. So what I feel, that men, if they achieve something, okay, it is also commendable. But when women achieve something, it is more commendable because they do this work in addition to fulfilling her basic duties. And compiling this ebook is a very good step. And not only us, the others, the young generation will come to know that they should not be disheartened if they are facing these challenges. They should know that you have to face the challenges. Then only you will be able to achieve something. And contribution, it is just a meager thing, nothing to say about that.
Thank you very much, Shabana Baji. You are always a motivating factor for all of us. And as Firdaus has accepted that sometimes she looks at me as inspiration, I always look at Shabana Baji for inspiration. So it is just change the action. Change the action. Okay, now Zoina, darling, what is your say on this?
Ma'am, I'm totally in, as you always say, no. I don't want to, like, yeah, all of us spoke about how inspiration works and all that. I would like to tell what happened to me after this Women of Substance award itself. Actually, there were people who didn't, who looked low at me for the things which I did back in Sri Lanka. They were like, okay, why is this Muslim lady going out and doing all this and coming home at this time? Things like that. Because, you know, traveling to rural areas, not everybody understands, and it's not everybody's cup of tea also. But when I received this award and when people heard what I spoke, I started getting calls from that day onwards, man. And I realized that, you know, we get really hurt because when those comments come from close people, relatives mostly, and because this is a close group and a close meeting, I'm able to share that, you know, when they called me and told me, appreciated me and all that, they recognized me too. So it felt amazing. I mean, I didn't expect that much positive response from my loved ones or whoever's around me. And yeah, so that was great for me. And definitely, I'm looking forward to do whatever is possible to inspire other people as well. If it would, I would definitely do. Because I know, just like you said, ma'am, journey of a person like this is not easy. And even today, I was just carried back, like, because my background, like, as I said, my parents were, you know, like they had a way of living and their own beliefs. So women are not, you know, when I started working or even to learn something apart from school hours, it was not well accepted in my background, I would say, my culture, immediate culture. So, you know, when you're 18, you're supposed to get married and, you know, all that life was expected. And yes, I abided, but I couldn't keep myself away from learning even back then, because as I said, the passion drove me. And I had to hide when I was doing my Montessori course, I enrolled without anybody's permission. I had to save money and, you know, go while my kids are going to the nursery. I had to enroll myself. I didn't tell it to anybody. And I had to hide my books under my bed and work when I was, when everybody's sleeping in the house. I had to take my things out, and you know how much work Montessori has, right? So that's how I learned. And later on, when I had to pay for the exam fees at the end of the year, after 10 months, only then everybody come to know, because I had no other option but tell them. Until then, nobody knew, ma'am. So the things which I had to go through, I mean, if there is a will, there is a way. And this is one good example, best example, which I can share from my experiences. And if anyone says otherwise, even if my cousins says otherwise, even for my own sister, this is what I told my mom always. Mom, do you want my sister also to hide things from you and do it? So using this example, my cousins, my own sister, everybody were allowed to study and, you know, given the support from home as well. So this is just one experience. And if we can share a lot more like this for how much we have achieved, I think we can inspire a lot of people. And this would be the best platform, ma'am, for it. I'm really looking forward for it. Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful.
It is
Thank you very much.
commendable.
Thank
Really commendable.
Yeah.
That when and you received a positive response from society, and because of success, the path of others was labeled, and really commendable. Very good.
Okay. Yes, Rizwana, do you?
Just I want to make one statement here. When I was doing my master's program, after finish, I moved on further. I went on for MPhil program, but there were certain girls, they could not able to continue their studies, or they have to get married and settle down like that. When I met them again after a few months of after our master's program, they were a little bit worried manner. They mentioned, you are all having the luck to continue your education as a boy, and as the way you want to go further for studying higher education. But though we are passionate, we want to continue because of the cultural things or the family decisions. We need to get married and settle down. So these are all the way very painful. Even though they are educated, they won't be allowed to come to serve for the society. It is not for the money matter. But I myself, I design my life. We are the two bullocks for the cart to go ahead. So one bullock cannot do well, the cart will move. So my side, I decided we are the two sides of the coin. Though I am supporting each other, but we need to merit each other. Then only the coin has the value, either the women or men. That's the way I presume my life. I allow my wife to do whatever she likes. So I never stop her to learn and explore and serve and have her freedom completely. Though it was some misunderstanding or small quarrels, but I just allow. Because the way we give the freedom, then only the fruitfulness will come back. That's the aspiration for everybody. For my sister, for my mother, and other people. There were some control measures, but we need to allow to go ahead with full freedom. Then only the full spirits will make the change and achieve the great thing. So that is it's depending with the mindset of the people who have been brought up and who have been do the same thing for the community or fellow colleagues like that. Many more places, working places, studying places, society, everywhere we could see this kind of way. There are a lot of hurdles, barriers, and even though in this social media era, technologically driven world, we could see these kind of voices from many places, but we can able to bring the gap, bridge the gap for bring the value for them. That's the way we are making a first small step, baby step, but it will make on its own way to have a great journey. Thanks. Thank you.
Sure, sure. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Ram. And Rizwana is here to share her story. Yes, Rizwana?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. First of all, again, I'm just thankful to you. You've given me this opportunity. At least I can say about myself. I know my story is really inspirational only because people are thinking, like my friends and even my siblings also thinking I'm lucky. So whatever I'm just thinking, I'm getting. They're thinking, still they're thinking you are lucky. Whatever you want, you're getting. But it's not easy. It's like hard work is also there, but no one is seeing the hard work. Everyone's thinking like I'm lucky only, and that's what I'm getting. If I want admission in AMU, I got. I want to stay in Dubai, I'm staying. I want to earn more than, like I'm telling you, 50,000. So I got that salary. Before, when I went for my first interview, my all classmate got near about 16,000 salary. I said, I will ask 20,000. I asked and I got. So that everyone is thinking I'm lucky, but no one is thinking what I'm thinking, what I'm doing, what my efforts. Because of Halima ma'am, because of Ram sir, because of you all, now I'm thinking that everybody will understand it is not easy, but it is not impossible also. You can, but for that you have to work. You can. सपने देखना सीखो, how to dream, how you can. मुझे एक वर्ड पता नहीं कहाँ से सुनने को मिला था, सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट डिपेंड, बड़ा अच्छा लगता था बोलते हुए. दैट आई वांट टू से ऑलवेज, आई वांट टू बिकम सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट डिपेंड वुमेन. And Alhamdulillah, now I am. And I want each and every girl to be self-independent, dependent. Sorry, I'm speaking like that because like this only because I'm in school. I can't speak much.
Okay, no issue. Thank you very much, Svana. And you know, it's a continuous journey. You know, it is, we are on the way. And yes, destination only God knows where we are.
God knows. Yeah, still I'm in journey only. Still I'm chasing my dreams.
Mhm. And सपने देखो, you said, but सपने ऐसे जो आपको सोने नहीं दें. Like APJ Abdul Kalam ji has said, na, कि dream are those that cannot allow us to sleep. Now Reshma is here. Reshma, would you like to share? Have you heard us? Reshma? Shadab Sahiba? Shadab Sahiba, would you like to share?
जी जी जी
जी फरमाइए. आपने सुना हम लोग क्या बातें कर रहे थे अभी? Have you heard discussing?
जी जी जी
हम एक ई बुक बनाने वाले हैं जिसमें जितनी भी हमारी विमेन ऑफ सब्सटेंस थी, अराउंड 30 विमेन वर देयर. सो उनकी जो स्टोरी है वो आप हमें लिख के देंगे, 4 पेजेस ईच वुमेन, and then we are going to compile and make first e-book and then later on it will be the hard copy also.
इंशाल्लाह जरूर.
क्या कहती हैं आप इस बारे में?
ये अच्छी बात है. और सबसे बड़ी चीज तो ये है, अगर हम कुछ भी सोच लें तो उसे करने में, अगर एक तो सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि हमारी सोच जो है वो पॉजिटिव होनी चाहिए. कहीं से भी निगेटिविटी नहीं आनी चाहिए. कहीं भी किसी भी सोच में जहाँ नेगेटिव, ये सोचना पड़ता है कि अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो वो गलत है, ये चीज तो आनी ही नहीं चाहिए. और जब हम ये सोच लेते हैं, मेरे फादर जो थे, उन्होंने मतलब मेरी मदर पढ़ी भी नहीं थी इतनी, जो मतलब स्कूली उन्होंने की थी. उसके बाद मेरे फादर ने उन्हें पढ़ा लिखा के डॉक्टर बनाया, और डॉक्टर बना के अपनी जिम्मेदारी छोड़ के उन्होंने ये कहा था कि नहीं, मैं अपने बच्चों को जिम्मेदारी में नहीं रखूंगा, मैं उन्हें इस काबिल बनाऊंगा कि सब ऊंचे ऊंचे ओहदों पे हों. और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरे सब बहन भाई सब पढ़े लिखे. आप शायद जानती भी हो, एक जो डॉक्टर इब्ने कमल हैं, ये सब मतलब सभी मेरे बहन भाई जो हैं वो बड़े बड़े पोस्टों पे रहे माशाल्लाह. और वही उन्हीं से मैंने ये सीखा.
पड़ोसी है मैम.
अच्छा अच्छा. वो मेरे बड़े भाई हैं.
अब तो आपसे और ज्यादा मोहब्बत हो गई मुझे.
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया.
He's a great man. He's a great man.
तो बहुत मेहनती थे मेरे, मतलब माँ बाप ने बहुत मेहनत करके हम सबको पढ़ाया, और वही हमने सीखा कि आज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरे भी माशाल्लाह 4 बेटे हैं, और चारों बाहर हैं. 3 बाहर हैं, एक यहाँ छोड़ के आए हैं जद्दा से माँ बापों के लिए, कि नहीं हम जो है पैसा कभी भी कमा सकते हैं, और माँ बाप के पास रहना बहुत जरूरी है एक का. तो ये है कि मतलब माशाल्लाह अगर हम अच्छी सोच रखें, और अगर अच्छे दूसरों की मदद कर, सबसे बड़ी चीज है. एक वो शेर है, दर्द दिल के वास्ते पैदा किया इंसान को, वरना तात के लिए कुछ कम न थे कर रो बयां. तो अगर हम एक दूसरे की मदद करते रहें, और जिसको अगर किसी भी चीज की जरूरत है उसे पहुंचाते रहें, तो मेरे ख्याल से बहुत फायदा रहेगा, और सब लोग आगे बढ़ते ही रहेंगे इंशाल्लाह. अभी भी मैं एक प्रोग्राम में से आई हूँ, और वहाँ मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह सम्मानित किया गया था.
जी जी, कांग्रेचुलेशंस, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
शुक्रिया.
अभी तो हमारी एक सिस्टर ने अपना वॉइस मैसेज भेजा है, सिंस शी कुड नॉट ज्वाइन बिकॉज ऑफ द नेटवर्क इश्यूज. So I think I should play her voice so that we can listen to her.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you very much for this prestigious recognition. I am very thankful to EduFam International and ACE International for this graceful endeavor. I believe recognition always reaps more excellency than expected. The concept of dedicating one day in a year to honor the efforts that women make throughout the year really takes me by surprise. The Almighty made women as one half of mankind themselves, and also gifted them the ability to give birth and make the other half. This quality of women in itself is enough to understand the worth of this particular species. All greatness that the world has ever seen originates from us, and hence it also gives us the immense responsibility of raising ourselves and the other half of this world well responsibility. I make my contribution to the society through formal education. I believe that this is one thing which broadens a person's mind towards positive change and development.
So she was Mosarat Na Saiba, who has sent her voice message to us. Since she could not join, she is in the interior area of Bihar where network issue is there. So now, Dr. Ram, we will distribute the certificates as they all have given their consent that we are going ahead with ebook and the hard book also, inshallah. So